When you want to hit the road, space is limited.
Or is it? Packing your Infiniti is a lot like packing your luggage.
A smart use of space helps you maximize what you can bring. Start by placing large items in front and small items in back, so nothing flies forward on the drive. So let's load the big stuff, things you won't need to access quickly. But no need to be super careful. In the QX50, bigger luggage can fit even with the seats up.
As the odds stack up, keep an open mind.
Just like that, your road trip becomes a surf trip.
And now the small stuff. With the cargo net, things stay put and easy to access. Another option, make tidiness a priority. The only thing that should let loose on your trip is you. Or say your adventure leads to treasure. Valuables are not something to be careless with.
Or advertise for that matter.
Security and space can even reach a whole nother level.
As you're loading up for the open road, remember to pack the playlist.
Keep watching for more how-tos. And visit the accessory store online to road trip to the fullest.